Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but as you can see it will take a while if in your case this list is so wide. So if you've got a lot of websites here, then I highly recommend to tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies, SSI data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see we just got back to the history, which is right now obviously empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, so starting from the list of visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.